Hey all, today we're in Discord and we're taking a look at how to mute channels and servers. Let's get into it. So to start off, you are going to want to have a server in mind that you would like to mute, or channels in that server you would like to mute. Starting off with channels, those tend to be the most annoying. If you have channels that you know you're getting notifications from and you don't want them anymore, or you want to delay them, say you're making a YouTube video and you don't want those channels pinging and interrupting you while you're recording, you can go to the channel, right click on the channel, and go mute channel. Now you can set this for a time if you don't want to have to worry about unmuting it. Personally, I usually go with the mute until I turn it back on option. Alternatively, you can mute a whole server by doing the same thing, by right clicking on the server, coming down to mute server, and you do have the same for 15 minutes, hour, 3 hours, or until I turn it back on. Once you set that, you should no longer get ping notifications in the bottom right, or hear the sound if you are notified from the server. Alternatively, you can use the notification settings and do something similar and just change it to nothing and remove push notifications if you are signed in on your phone and you don't want to receive those anymore. Let me know if this video helped. Leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.